driving around on town, on motorways, on rural roads. And as well, obviously, we go to the Nordschleife or the Hockenheimring where we can test the cars to the limit. During a test, we got the measurement data where we can have a look at G's and how the car responds to the driver. So we go into the same direction and same spots and analyze changes pretty exactly. They're used to drive these kind of performances.
Worthiness. And movies, high-speed movies. And hopefully everything will show that it worked just as well as it looked.
There was a oh, fuck yeah. Oh! Problems are solved, my run through the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I something and double. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all.
Into chances. To appreciate them, and not only to overcome them, but to do so in style.
You gotta do your lane, you gotta let your path before you take it. Right here, go right here. Then when I get back to this car, I'm gonna go right there. I'm gonna go back to this car.